Hi guys, Ryan Kerrigan here. Today we're at MarineMax Danvers, taking a look at this 2025 Sea Ray 230 SPX. We have this boat equipped in the Neo Mint gel coat color on the hull side. Super clean look with the white. We're gonna jump inside. I'm gonna show you guys a couple features today and check out this boat. Guys, we are inside of the 230 SPX in 2025. This boat is gonna come equipped with a 250 horsepower Mercury outboard. Again, on this boat, I'm gonna point out three of my favorite features. Again, with this large sun pad here in the back, which I'm going to show you a feature once Jill jumps in the boat. The optioned infinity woven vinyl flooring is honestly my preferred, even though the sea deck is more comfortable. This stuff is super versatile. It's all on snaps, can all come off the boat. So if you want to scrub the deck, stuff like that, or you know you're going to be having, plenty of people on board for the day, you can keep it off, keep the boat clean. Now I'm going to pop open this large storage compartment here. So this is good for floats, coolers, bags, whatever you need. Huge storage compartment, as well as under all the seats as well. Great seating here, super ergonomic, easy to walk through. Again, on every Sea Ray, you're going to have your Fusion Bluetooth, Simrad multifunction display, all your chart plotter, GPS, depth, everything you're going to need for the day. 23 SPX is equipped with a head on board. That is the smallest size of the SPX series that has a head. And again, guys, Sea Ray just does such a good job with this bow seating. Cushion bolsters all the way around, so you can be facing forward, facing aft, and have a cushion on your back, nice and comfortable. This boat is available, guys. We have plenty of winter promotions on it. If you want to come by, we're at 10 Hutchinson Drive in MarineMax Danvers. Come by and say hi, all right?